Hey everyone, Paula here. So today I want to talk to you about your main menu. The main menu is on the left-hand side of your screen, and as you see over here, it starts with the home page. So I'm not going to go into any details about the home page today because I did do a video regarding all the notifications that you'll find there. So if you haven't seen it yet, I definitely encourage you to go take a look. I'll start here with the Files button. Files button is really where you're going to find all your transactions. So your listings, your deals, your buyer's contract, you will find it all here. And when I refer to your transaction, that means it's all the details of the transaction and the documents attached to the transaction. So here are 3 deals, and if you want to go see the documents and the details, then you would have to click in either one of these 3 lines. From this page, you're also able to toggle to different types of transactions. So now, as I said, we're in our deals, but you want to go see your listings? You click on listings. You would find it here, your temporary listings, your buyer's contract. Basically, all the tabs that you see here, let me push myself down here, all the tabs that you see over here is basically the same list as what you have over here. All right? New deal. This is really a function that is activated or applicable to the agents who work in brokerages that allow or that want agents to create their own deals in the system. So if that's the case for you, then if you represent the buyer and you have an offer to put in the system for a listing that is not your own system, your own listing, then you would click here on New Deal and go create your deal from there. Next, the search engine. So of course, a search engine is when you're wanting to look for any kind of transaction. So you have several options in terms of how to search. Typically, you're going to go, you're going to enter your street number or maybe your buyer's name, your seller's name. Regardless, any information you have that you recall regarding your transaction, you could put it in the proper field, hit search, and then the system will find the transaction that you're looking for. Next is statistics. In statistics, this is a really fun tool. I'm not going to go into much detail here because I will do another video for this one, but just give you a quick peek to show you that it's really information on your financial information, basically. So you'll see your annual comparatives, your objectives, and what's fun is that you're also able to do graphs with this. For those of you who are very visual and like to see in a graph, well, this little tool will let you do that. So that's a lot of fun. If we move on to the next, eZsign is eZmax's electronic signing solution. So if you choose to use eZsign for your signing solution, this is where you would go to prepare your documents for signature. And obviously the advantage of doing that is that because we are a complete unified solution, well, then you would have one tool to go to your transactions, to your documents, and to your to your electronic signing solution, everything in the same software, right? And then tools. So tools has a lot of fun things. And again, this is another one that I'm going to go into more details in a separate video because I want to show you different tips that are really useful and will help you save time and work in a better way, in a more efficient way with the system. All right, so keep an eye out for that. And last but not least, we always say we keep the best for the last, right? So finance is a really good and strong tool giving you access to all your financial information. So as an example, you'll see here your transaction reports. You'll see here your commission reports. You'll be able to find over here any invoice that you're looking for. So your brokerage may send you some invoices. You may lose track of them or whatever. and you need to find it, you could do it from your platform directly. You don't need to go to the brokerage for that. You'll also have access to your tax slips. Okay, so there's a lot of really, really good stuff in here. And I will do a video for a lot of these individual reports to show you how to pull them and how to read them. Okay, so that's soon to come. Please stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Take care.